So the only thing you're going to need in order to do this is a web browser. So you can see I have my document opened here. I have that text on the right that I want to match the text that's on my left. So all I have to do is highlight all the text, right click, press cut, open new tab, and paste that text onto the new tab. Then I highlight all of that text, right click, press and cut that text, and paste it back on to the document. So you can see all of the text matches. But let's suppose that you are copying text from an article like this Wikipedia article. So all you have to do here is copy the text from that article that's not from your document and then paste it onto your document. Now once again I'm going to highlight all of this, right click, press cut, open a new tab, and do the same thing. I'm pasting it on the new tab, press cut, and then pasting it back onto the document.